Hey guys, today I'm going to review the Keep Rewarding and all the opportunity that they offer for you to make an informed decision. I have also written a full Keep Rewarding review on my website. You can go and check it out so you won't miss anything. I have spent most of my half day analyzing the Keep Rewarding website to see if people are making decent money with the opportunity the platform offers. Does this online platform stand by its promises? Are those rewards worth it, or is the platform a scam? So if you are curious about whether Keep Rewarding is worth your time and effort, watch this video until the very end. In this Keep Rewarding review, I will cover what is Keep Rewarding all about, brief overview of Keep Rewarding as a GPT website, Keep Rewarding multiple earning options, their referral system versus affiliate marketing, the pros and cons of funding, what is your deal breaker. Before I start, please like this video so it can reach many people as possible and push the YouTube algorithm. By the way, if it's your first time to my channel, my name is Frank Chanda. I'm the owner of the wealthyacademy.com. I give tips and training on how to make money online. I also review other videos and programs that claim to make money online to help you avoid scam. Therefore, you need to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification next to it. Whenever I upload a new video, you will get my notification. You can also find all the links for everything that I mentioned in this video in the description box. Don't forget to check it out. Keep Rewarding is an online platform that rewards user points that they can redeem to cash by completing various tasks such as survey, watching video, and participating in offers. As you can see, their website is clean and it looks smart. As you can read here, register for free, sign up now to get started with Keep Rewarding today. Earn point, watch video, complete survey, visit website, and more. Get rewarded. Redeem for PayPal or gift card like Amazon, Tango card, and more. If you are a new user, you can register with Keep Rewarding, and the process to register is very straightforward. You can create your account by filling out this registration form. You can also provide them with an email address that is associated with your PayPal account to get paid. One thing that I realized when I was signing up is that Keep Rewarding website has some cliches. I was stuck on this page until I check out my email address to find their email to activate my account. Once you click create account, it does not redirect you to another page. Please check out your email. Here I'm inside Keep Rewarding. As you can see, the interface is also clean and smart. Upon signing up, Keep Rewarding will reward you 25 points as a signing up bonus. Now let's analyze Keep Rewarding's multiple earning option. As you can see, earn point, click on it, then you will find surveys, overall, videos, clicks, push notification, invite friends. Let's analyze those opportunities one by one. Surveys. Keep Rewarding pay its user for taking surveys, but what I noticed is the platform is playing as a middleman between the survey providers. As you can see here, those are the survey providers. It is better to sign up directly with survey providers and start completing the surveys. I'm sure they are rewarding a bit more than what you can get here. Therefore, if you like completing survey, you can sign up with Survey Time and earn 50 cents to $1 per survey. This platform pay a little more than Keep Rewarding. Overhauls. Similar to surveys, Keep Rewarding is a middleman. You can find a lot of offer, starting with signing up for free trials, downloading apps, playing game, and more. Watching videos. You will get paid for watching video on this platform. Watching video is more like watching an advertisement where advertisers has already paid some cash to Keep Rewarding for them to advertise their products on this platform. Push notification. Keep Rewarding can pay you just by clicking the push notification that pop up on your device, such as your laptop, tablet, or mobile. Therefore, you need to install the push notification before you start earning and you can install the push notification on different devices. Unfortunately, you cannot earn by clicking the same notification on multiple devices. Invite a friend. Keep Rewarding also have a referral program where you can invite your friend and earn 10% of their earnings for a lifetime. After earning enough points with Keep Rewarding, you can redeem your points through PayPal, gift card, or other payment options. Let me now compare Keep Rewarding referral program to affiliate marketing. If you decide to refer people to join Keep Rewarding referral program pay up to 10% for everyone you refer to the platform. When a user signs up for Keep Rewarding using your unique referral link provided by an existing member, both the referrer and the new user are rewarded with point bonus. In addition of those initial rewards, user can continue to earn a percentage of their referral earnings for as long as they remain active on the platform. Since this model of earning is similar to affiliate marketing, I want to compare the Keep Rewarding referral system to affiliate marketing. You can make money online by promoting other people's products and services and earn affiliate commission. You can sign up with Digistore24 as the affiliate. As you can see, I'm inside Digistore24, and you can find different products and services to promote, but it has to align with your interest or your passion. As you can see here, there are many products and services that you can promote. Let's check on events and seminars. There are many products and services that you can promote. Let's check on the leadership, and you can promote anything here. Let's say you decide to promote this training. As you can see how much it costs, and they pay 40% in commission. The training costs $2,232.24, and you can earn a commission of $892.90 per sale. You can just click promote now to get your affiliate link and start promoting it on different platforms. Imagine you just make 5 sales per month. Affiliate marketing can be more lucrative option compared to Keep Rewarding referral system for several reasons. Analyzing Keep Rewarding strength. Keep Rewarding stand out in the market due to the several key strengths that I will examine now. One of the main strengths of Keep Rewarding is the wide range of earning opportunity for user. From completing survey and offer to watch video and participating in context. Keep Rewarding provide various ways of user to earn reward. Keep Rewarding is a user-friendly website that offers a wide range of opportunity for people to earn reward easily. It has a simple layout and navigation. User can quickly find tasks to complete. Keep Rewarding offer a lucrative opportunity for users to earn additional income to their affiliate program. By referring friends and family to join the platform, user can earn 10% commission on their referral earnings. Keep Rewarding is known for its dependable customer support, ensuring that users receive prompt assistance whenever they have questions or issues. While Keep Rewarding offers a variety of ways of users to earn money and reward, some shortcomings need to be addressed. One major concern is the limited earning potential, as many users reported that it can be difficult to accumulate a significant amount of points to redeem to cash or to gift cards. Additionally, there have been complaints about the short processing time for payout, with some users waiting weeks or even months to receive their reward. Overall, while Keep Rewarding has its peaks, the company needs to address those issues to improve the user experience and retain a loyal customer base. Although the platform has a various way to be rewarded, I have seen other platforms with more tasks that pay better than Keep Rewarding. Therefore, if you decide to complete survey time pay 50 cents to $1 per survey, and Timebucks has more ways to earn, starting from downloading apps, searching the webs, to play games. Better yet, Timebucks pay in US dollar, not point. Overall, keep rewarding is a reliable and trustworthy site that provides a legitimate way to earn money in your free time. However, there's always some alternative way you can make decent cash online. Therefore, if you like this video, please share, like, and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching. Until next time.